Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are at Dutch Wonderland in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and we are going on the monorail. The monorail, if you walk in, go to the right of the train and walk all the way down, you will see it. We have season passes. Sometimes it's closed, sometimes it's not. It's open more than it's closed, so that's a good thing. However, you're not guaranteed to get on the monorail. It is about an 8-minute ride. During hot days, it does get hot and stuffy on the monorail, so if that's a problem for you, this is your warning. It was an unseasonably cool day. We went Memorial Day weekend and it was very comfortable. It was a perfect time to come. I think it was in the 60s and it was windy. And I kept the sound on for the ride, so I hope you get some amusement out of my family's commentary during the ride. But they do have someone narrating on the speaker during the monorail ride. So that's why I kept the volume on. I hope you enjoy it. I hope some of it might even bring a little humor to your day. And that is it. Enjoy the ride.
Well, Nana has in charge and yeah.
Welcome to the Monorail. We make things we had to cycle all time. We had to have a good ride.
Heading to number 2. Going that way. Everybody, why are we passing this way? This is the way we're going.
You're seeing it backwards.
Ready for some fun? Then sit back, relax, and enjoy your tour of Dutch Wonderland. Nothing for kids. Stay seated during the entire ride and keep your arms and head inside the train. Thank you.
How would we get
Bumping cars
Over a track that is more than
where?
to your left.
highlighting some of the ways you can enjoy
Which way left?
riding the splash fun. Along the way,
That way.
some of our guests have to say about their time beyond the castle walls.
Mom, is this right? That's left. Bumper cars left. Bumper cars are on the left. I don't know which way is my left. This way. Left.
it's warm out and sunny.
Pennsylvania Dutch country.
Wow, the parking lot is full.
Then I'm sitting back. Wait, just put your hoodie on.
And Duke's Lagoon water
You paid extra.
on more than 40 acres. The Dutch Wonderland continues to provide
There's
kid-friendly
only one
rides,
car there when we got there.
and special events.
The park is beautiful. The rides are a lot of fun, and we have a lot of fun together.
We're now approaching the
That parking lot's already
famous
full.
Dutch Wonderland castle.
Regular parking lot.
Inside of the castle gift shop and our own sit-down restaurant.
That's why I wanted to get
Also
here
located
early.
inside the castle is guest services. Stop by on your way out of the park, check out our season pass options, and upgrade today with the Super Season
Run
Pass.
going forward.
The monorail was not so
Good times at Dutch Wonderland.
The station is
Join us weekends in October for Dutch Wonderland has landing,
That is right, that blue thing.
special shows, and more.
No, that was the haunted house. That was the house. Oh yeah, and I saw a skeleton. Oh yeah, because it was boring.
Rides and holiday entertainment like Visits with Santa and Story Time.
This ride is actually safe sometimes.
For more details, dates, and
Yeah.
visit our
What if
website.
the monorail fell off?
We're making our way back
Probably
to Dutch
won't.
Wonderland.
Papa, sometimes this ride just doesn't feel
Beyond the
safe.
trees, lies
Because of how wobbly it is.
It's made the waffle. It's
parents and grandparents to cool off all summer long.
What if we crashed into the water?
And more.
Unless you had a parachute on.
well, yeah, that would work. What is it?
Duke Lagoon is open Memorial Day weekend through Labor Day. Ready for the best birthday party ever?
Their birthday prices are much better than
Look, Daniel Tiger's
Are
out.
available at the
No, but still cannot look in the sun with sunglasses.
Dragon, the princess of Dutch Wonderland.
I seen that guy on the ad.
About our party and other ways to celebrate family gatherings.
Yeah, a lot of babies.
We hope you've enjoyed your
Baby stuff.
Dutch Wonderland.
Yeah, but your sisters too, so.
I'm still watching baby stuff all the time, like Peppa.
Thank you for riding with us.
Or is that Peppa?
Wonderland.
Maybe we'll see you next year, right? Hold on, can we move? Yeah, can we move?
Thumbs up. Yes.
So now,
I guess we're kind of in that so-so phase, but anyway, so you will exit down a different flight of steps, but you will go out the same way that you came in. And what I didn't show you earlier, there is the stroller parking right there on the right-hand side. Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.